Okay, yes guys, today we are going to be going back into our survival series. It's been a while, so let's go. I've done some stuff off the camera. I will tell you once this is done loading. I'll see you guys then. Okay, we are back. Unfortunately, I suffocated in the wall. But it's okay because we're gonna redo this entire world. Well, I mean, like, we're not gonna leave. We're just gonna move, get more stone, like, and stuff. So, yeah, let's just do that real quick. Mining away. I just need to get out of here. Hold up. Let me grab. Okay. Oh my god, my food. I had no clue where it was. Okay, let me just stack up real quick. We have our bed, so we're good. I mean, like, I lost my stuff. I think I should have brought it with me. I'm so dumb. Okay. What the? Oh god, a creeper. No. Get away. Okay, it's not. Oh, my stuff. We good, my stuff. Right here. We're fine. Let's go. Alright, I need a furnace. Just keep it quick. Get out of the fridge. Please get out of here. There's a cave there, but I don't have any torches. So get out of this area. Just get out. Oh, okay. Keep going across in this Minecraft world. We just, like, I don't know. We need to get out of this forest because this is a trash area. You know what? I'll be back once we get out of this area. Okay guys, we finally got out of the fort. That took me like 20 minutes to get out of it. But we're back and we might settle down in a place like this. I feel like a village is right there. I see it. So yeah, this was totally worth it. Oh my, what the shit? Crouch. Okay, just work. Stay calm. Boom. We can just, let me just look down there. Wait a second, bro. Oh my god. Keep going. Okay. Oh my god. Okay, let's just go back up. That took me like a day in Minecraft, not in real life, just to get out of that. Trying to find the safest way out of here. Go up here and now just stack it. Okay, let's just stay calm. Hopefully I don't lose track of the village. Oh no, he's right here. Right here, okay. I might settle down right here. Sup, horse? Yo, hold up. You stay. It's probably gonna be smart, but yes, I'm gonna name you. Comment down below what should I name the horse if it stays. Hopefully there'll be a blacksmith. Go trade beds. No! I'll spawn in this village, trade beds. Some apple. Okay, so let me put the stuff I don't need right in this chest. Okay, I probably don't need these cobblestone stairs. And I don't need, yeah, that's about it. I mean, I don't need this granite. Okay. So I think we're good. Now let's just grab this door. Okay, grabbed it. Okay. My stone sword is about to break. Blacksmith. 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 Okay. So I just noticed that now. Oh, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. I know that some people might not think that's good, but that might be good. That is very good for this survival series. We can literally make another portal. We can literally make another portal just like that. Oh my god, yes. Horse armor. I don't think I could put it on him, but I'll keep it until I find a saddle. Epic find for the series. 5 pieces of iron just for that. I can make iron tools if I want. Thank you. I haven't seen many villagers around, but yes, crops. Let's go. This was actually clutch finding this village. I'm hecka chilling on carrots, guys. Let's go. Hey, homie. What's good, homie? Bro, what are you training for? Jeez, okay. Sadly, no diamonds. Epic house, man. More crops? Oh my Jesus, okay. More crops? Thank you. Okay, I might live. What the heck is that? Oh. Yo, I might live. What the? Yo, oh my god, let's go. Okay. I don't need the iron golem like right now. I think we good. We're gonna. I'm planning on to live. But why can't I? Wait. I can put pieces of dirt down. Hold up. More bread. Yo, there's so much. There's so much to. Hold up. Can I put my bed down in here, please? Yes. Yes. Okay. So, this. Okay, I have to say this is going to be continued. Bye, guys. This is going to be continued. I don't know. I might do one today. I don't know. But this is going to be continued. Peace out, everybody.